Hi guys, in this video I would be showing you how to increase Wi-Fi speed in mobile. So there are 3 ways to do it, and without any delay we will see what is the first one. If you also want to know how to increase Wi-Fi speed in laptop, then comment down below. The first method is to disable auto update when connected to Wi-Fi in Google Play Store. So open Google Play Store and go to settings. Disable auto update here. Apart from these methods, you can also increase Wi-Fi speed by not using any Bluetooth devices. Now the second method is to once again turn off software updates but in Android. Now open settings and go to software updates and disable auto download of updates. Before we continue, please subscribe and comment down below that you have subscribed, and I will definitely respond to it. The third method is to change how much data each app can use manually. So for that you have to once again go to settings and to connections. In connections, go to data usage. Now over here you can choose which apps can access data and which can't. By disabling the apps which you don't use, you can save more data and can use it efficiently.